guys, this is Avinash Sharma, and in this video we will check some questions and their answer as a business solutions using the chatgpt. First of all, we check very basic question. Suppose we want to know what is the difference between the space shuttle and the aeroplane. The question is very basic, and also we can have the answer for this question from the Google. But the Google does not understand the intent and the condition. We can add our content and the condition in this question. Suppose we want to collect the information for a particular person or particular category, then we can add the intent in this question. So we check this one on ChatGPT. Now we check in the ChatGPT. The question is, what is the difference between the space shuttle and the airplane? Now we check the answer. So this is the answer, and we have the answer in points. But sometimes this answer might be the lengthy for us because we want the answer in very limited words. So how to change the question? Now the question is, what is the difference between the space shuttle and the aeroplane? Please explain in the 50 words. We check now. Now our answer is short and precise. We have the answer only in 50 words. But suppose we have to explain this difference to a particular person, to a particular category. Suppose a 5-year child. How to explain this difference? Now the question is, what is the difference between the space shuttle and the aeroplane? Explain to 5-year child. Now we check the answer. Now the answer is in very simple words. Or you can also write now the question is, what is the difference between the space shuttle and the aeroplane? Explain to 5-year child in 25 words. We check now. Now the answer are in only 25 words. Suppose the child doesn't understand the English, then also we can change the language. So now the question is, what is the difference between the space shuttle and the aeroplane? Explain to 5-year-old child in Hindi in 25 words. So if we check the language, it is Hindi, and if we count the words in Hindi, there are 25 words. So this way we can add the condition and the intent in the question for the chat GPT. Now we check the next problem. Suppose your company have some subscriber. Now you want to write email to your subscriber whose subscription expired for the renewal of the subscriptions. So you can ask the chat GPT to write the email for this purpose. Now we check. Now the question is, write an email to subscribers requesting for renewal whose subscription expired. Check now. So this is the format of the email. First of all, subject, then dear, name of the subscriber and contact, and finally your name, your company. But sometimes the content of the email is too big. So now the question is, write an email to subscriber requesting for renewal whose subscriber expired. Write in say 70 words. Also offer 10% discount on renewal. So this time we also offer the discount. Okay, now we check. Now this is the next format. Again subject and also subject change. Don't miss out on our 19% discount. Sorry, by mistake I typed the 19. I spoke 10% but I typed the 19%. So don't miss out 19% discount. So it included this offer in subject. Now then dear subject, and this is the content. Also, as a token of our appreciation, we are offering a 19% discount. So this is also included in the content of the email. And then finally we have the sincerely your name and your company. So this way you can generate the format of the email for any kind of the business solution. Now we check the next problem. Suppose you are a manufacturer of the electricity meter and you want to create a slogan for selling your electricity meter, but also encourage the consumer for saving the energy. We check. So we have question. Write a slogan for selling the electricity meter. Also encourage the consumers for saving electricity. Now so slogan is measure your energy, control your bill and empower your saving with our electricity meters. So this is the first slogan. And if you regenerate, then regenerate response the answer would be the different. Now this time, measure your power, save your money, get a reliable electricity meter today. So this is how you can generate the nice slogans for your business solution using the chat GPT. Now we check the next problem. Suppose you have a company and the morale of your employee is very low because of not getting the salary increment. So you have to issue a circular for increasing the morale of the employee without giving them the salary increment. So how to do that one? We check. So create a circular for boosting the morale of the employee without giving them increment. So this is the question. Also we can limit the words. Mention in say 100 words. Now we check. So you can see in this format. First of all, the hard work and the dedication of the employee has been appreciated. So we appreciate your hard work and dedication. And also they mentioned that while we are unable to provide salary increment at this time, means this time, but the next time they might consider. So both point they have included in this circular. So this is how you can generate a circular for this kind of business problem. So guys, this was all about how to generate the business solution for the problems. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.